I found my way down here to Taylor Farm Sip and Savor Pavilion with celebrity chef Tyler Florence, and I just watched you cook an amazing Caesar salad, but more importantly, that steak. I can smell it behind me. What is it like to be out here at Velocity Invitational and share in motorsports along with cooking?
You know, motorsports in California has such a rich history, and we love being a part of that. We are neighbors here. We live in Marin County. I have restaurants in San Francisco, but we come up here all the time. It's a really important part of our year. We love sports. We also love motorsports. The NASCAR event up here is so spectacular, and Velocity is the car show of the year. The races are spectacular. The cars at the dealerships and also the racers and the enthusiasts bring out are like a collection. It's like a dream collection. You're never going to see cars like this in any other place other than at Velocity. This is the 5th year. It gets better every single year. And now with this cool food component to all of this, it's just getting better. We have so much fun, and all these fans. Did you guys have a good time today or what? Everybody's having fun. The food is spectacular. You know, it's a little warm out here, but it's Northern California in our summer, and we're super excited to be here, so thanks.
Absolutely. The finer things in life. These people have great taste in cars, and they obviously have some great taste in food with you here today, so thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much. So happy to be with everybody. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks.
All right, let's check out some more racing on the track.